What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So I decided to make this quick video for you guys to answer a lot of questions you guys have about wrap. I keep getting the same questions over and over again and on my videos, so I'm going to be answering all of your wrap questions in this video. So first question I get is, how much did you pay for your wrap? So if you guys notice on my videos, of course, I did the wrap myself, so I didn't pay anything for the installation, but I did buy a whole roll. A whole roll is 25 yards and it measures by 60 inches, so 5 feet by 25 yards would be something like 75 feet. So it's a lot of film. I did end up using it all on this truck because I do have the cover in the back. So if you guys don't have this cover here, obviously you're gonna have a lot left over. This took up a lot of film here. It could probably wrap another side of this and probably the other side too. So if it's your first time wrapping, I would suggest to go ahead and order the full roll because you're gonna mess up. I must have messed up twice on this side here. The reason I messed up is because if you're a first time installer like myself, you can overstretch it, you can rip the film. There's a lot of things that can go wrong when installing the film, so that's why I messed up twice on this. So I wasted this whole piece here twice, and I still managed to do the cover here and have just a tad bit left over. So my recommendation is go with the full roll if you guys are doing a truck of this size. Maybe for a car it'd be a lot less, but take your measurements, measure everything, and make sure you have enough film. Another question I get is, how often do you wash your trucks now that they're wrapped? I want to say I wash my truck every 3 to 4 weeks. It's due for a wash right now. As you can see, there's poop, bird poop right there, but it doesn't look that dirty. See? Obviously, once you get close, you can see there's going to be dust on top of it. But it's a lot less visible than when you have a glossy paint job. You can see pretty much anything. It won't last more than a week without you having to already wash it. But again, this has been about a month, so it's not too bad. I just got to get rid of the poop there before it gets stained and I have to rewrap that. Next question I get is vinyl wrapping hard? Personally, I don't think it's hard. I mean, like I said, if I can do it, pretty much anybody can do it. Just take your time with it. What you need is a lot of patience. Do not lose patience, because once you start losing patience, you're gonna mess up and you're gonna want to just leave it that way, and you're just gonna, don't be afraid to just mess up and have to tear the whole panel apart and just start over. If you start getting frustrated, just leave it alone and get started the next day. That's what I would do a lot of times, because I would get frustrated and I did like 3-4 panels in one day, and by the end of the day I was just done with the day. So wait till the next day, start fresh again, rewrap the panel, because the worst thing you want to do is rush the job and notice that you made some shitty work. I also get the question of, if I have scratches, if I have dents, will it show through the wrap? Yes, it will. So make sure that your truck or your vehicle that you're gonna wrap is dent free and there's no scratches. Otherwise, you're gonna see it even though you wrap over it. The wrap film is very thin, so any deep scratch, any dent, I mean, the mat is gonna hide most of it, but you still want to make sure that you do take out the dent, or at least primer all over the scratches and everything, to make sure that nothing's gonna show. So where do I get my wrap from? I get my wrap from fellers.com. You can purchase your wrap there. I live in LA County, so the closest one to me is Santa Fe Springs. I'm like 15 minutes away from it, so I place my order and I can just go ahead and pick it up there, and they'll deliver it in a whole roll like this. This is what I had left over from wrapping my truck, so I can probably wrap like the whole hood again if I want to, but this is the roll you're gonna get. Another website where I also order wrap is Metro Restyling. They'll ship it out to your door and they offer the best prices. So between Fellers and Metro Restyling, I think they're the ones that have the best prices and the best quality in films. The only two brands I've worked with are 3M and Avery Dennison, and honestly those are the only two that I would work with. And honestly, in my own opinion, Avery Dennison is a lot easier to work with than 3M. 3M, you have a higher chance of adhesive lines, and it just doesn't stretch as easily as Avery Dennison. Not only that, but if you work with this type of film in the cold, I've had it rip a bunch of times. So again, for the full roll, I paid about 800 bucks, 700 and something, so I want to just round it up to 800 bucks. So that's what it's going to cost you pretty much to wrap your own truck or vehicle. Obviously, if you guys do it yourself, if you're going to pay somebody else, expect to pay anywhere from like $3,000 to $4,000 to get your vehicle wrapped. So I think those were the main questions that I did get on my channel. So if you guys have any other questions regarding the wrap, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll make sure I answer them. So I'm doing a giveaway for our 5,000 subscriber count. Thank you guys very much for subscribing, man. For those of you that are interested, I have a new Instagram that's going to be specific for my YouTube, which I'm going to be posting my trucks on there, and I'm going to be posting any projects that I'm working on. It's just going to be just for that. So make sure you guys follow it here. So to enter the giveaway, just make sure you guys follow my page. Leave a comment in this video and comment on my most recent picture on my Instagram. I'm gonna choose one follower for my next video, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys and send you guys out on one of my new stickers. So I'm gonna be sending you out one of these Project VC stickers right here. So again, to enter, you must comment on the section below, follow me here, and comment on my most recent picture on there, and I'll choose one of you guys by the next video, shoot you a DM or something, and send you guys a new sticker to represent. And that's gonna be it for this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one.
I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac